In a defining moment that pits technological innovation against national security concerns, TikTok has initiated a legal challenge against a U.S. law that presages a comprehensive ban unless its Chinese parent company, ByteDance, divests its ownership. This legal action underscores a crescendo in the years-long scrutiny over the app's data practices and its potential for misuse. At the heart of TikTok's lawsuit is the assertion that the law infringes on the First Amendment rights of both the company and its 170 million American users, branding the U.S. government's move as an extraordinary intrusion on free speech rights. The law signed by President Joe Biden, invoking national security justifications, stems from long-standing concerns over the potential for user data to be leveraged by the Chinese government and the risk of disseminating propaganda. However, TikTok retorts that these speculations are unfounded and that it has undertaken substantial efforts, including an investment exceeding $2 billion, to mitigate these concerns by implementing robust safeguards around U.S. data. Despite these efforts, the Protecting Americans from Foreign Adversary-Controlled Applications Act mandates ByteDance to sell TikTok or face a ban. The lawsuit presents a series of compelling arguments, highlighting the discriminatory nature of the law by creating a two-tiered speech regime and questioning the feasibility of divesting TikTok from ByteDance within the stipulated timeline. It posits that the requirements set by the law are not only impractical, but also constitute an unfair targeting of TikTok, ignoring the similarities in data collection and security practices between TikTok and other social media platforms, both foreign and domestic. TikTok asserts that the law's enactment without concrete evidence of harm does not justify the restrictions on free speech it imposes. Legal experts and advocacy groups have weighed in on TikTok's challenge, with opinions diverging on the potential impact of the law. While some view the lawsuit as a strategic move to safeguard its operational integrity in the U.S., others, including members of Congress, maintain that the concerns about national security are warranted. Yet, the American Civil Liberties Union and other free speech advocates argue that the law sets a dangerous precedent for censoring digital platforms without incontrovertible evidence of harm to national security. As TikTok embarks on this legal battle, the outcome will not only affect its future in the U.S. market, but also set a precedent for how technology companies can be regulated in the interests of national security. This case represents a pivotal intersection of technology, law, and the principles of free speech, with significant implications for the global digital ecosystem. With the court's decision awaited, the world watches as TikTok stands at the forefront of what could be a landmark defense of digital expression rights.